related to the popular belief among the non-Ahmadis that when doomsday will come, then the whole universe will be destroyed. Is it at all true? This is the question in short.
The whole universe will not be destroyed. Earth will be destroyed. And maybe only the population on earth will be destroyed, not the earth itself. Because according to the Holy Quran, there is a very clear prediction of the Quran that new form of life will replace the human life. It will be a better and higher form of life. So if the earth is destroyed or the universe is destroyed, how can the life exist here after humanity? So the Quran speaks of endless time. Amazing how the Quran goes into the depth of these questions.